How important are the witnesses in a will? Hi, I'm Marvin, your professional estate planner. Today we're going to talk about the importance of the two witnesses which are required in a will. Some of us might ask, why is it so important to have those two witnesses witnessing the signing of a will? According to the Malaysia's Wills Act, we must have two witnesses witnessing the process of the signing of the will by the testator. When there is a will and when the will is signed by a testator, the two witnesses must be present to witness the testator signing the will. So we cannot have two witnesses separated at two different times witnessing the signing of the will. For instance, today the testator is having witnessing A beside him to witness him signing the will, and then he bring the will copy to let witness B to sign the will tomorrow. That in case if there's any problems arise when the High Court question the legitimacy of the will, that can be challenged. So it is very important to have two witnesses present looking at the testator signing the will. And second thing, these two witnesses cannot be the beneficiary named in the will, and preferably not a close or immediate family member, because to avoid any conflicts, and it is stated in the law where the witness must not be the beneficiary of the will. It is important to take note on that. On the other hand, these two witnesses must be of legal age and they themselves must be in a sane condition. That means their mind must be in a clear state. So their duty is to witness the testator, to know that when the testator is signing the will, the testator himself or herself is in a good normal state. That means his mind is clear, is in a mental state, and he's not under any influence or being forced to sign the will. And that is the duty or the role that the witnesses play in the will signing process. So once the testator has signed the will, the two witnesses will sign and put their names and details in the will, and this will be considered legitimized. That means the will is legit and it is enforced because there's two witnesses there, the will is in a proper state, and also the will must be dated. Upon the demise of the testator, the executor will be in charge of executing his or her wishes based on the instructions set out in the will. So the executor and the family members or the beneficiaries will have to get a lawyer, and when they get a lawyer, the lawyer will get these two witnesses to come to the law firm and sign a document called the affidavit. And this affidavit is just a document to prove that during the signing of the will, the witnesses has witnessed the testator sign the will and the conditions and the terms and conditions are all in order. So the witness will also play a part after the demise of the testator. They will have to go to the law firm and sign the affidavit, and that's it. The process of applying for the grant of probate will take place, and affidavit is part of the document required for the application of the GP. So here we can see the importance of having the two witnesses in a will signing process. And in the event, if there is a challenge of a will, the challenge might come from whether the family members will challenge the legitimacy of the will challenge the originality of the will, and also challenge some of the wishes of the testator. The witness will be called during these court proceedings or the whole legal process to assist in the findings of the court. So we can see the two witnesses play a very important role in a whole will writing and also a will signing process. And that is where, when a testator is writing a will, the person who helps or who provide this service to the testator must advise accordingly, and the testator must choose his or her witnesses wisely so that it can help the whole process even after the death of the testator, to help the whole process to go in a smooth manner, and the beneficiaries will be able to benefit from the proceeds of the will. There you go, that is the importance of being a witness in a will, and I hope this video has bring value and help you understand more about the whole will writing process and how important the witness is to the will. And if you find this video helpful, please like and also share it with your friends, subscribe to my page on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next time.